dry and dull right now because I've not been doing currently anything. And the one thing I just swear by is this magic potion. No, it's not magic potion. I just made it with some ingredients just at lying it. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Styling with Shirin, and in today's video, as you can see, my hairs are open. So today I'm going to be treating my hair very gently and giving them some precious time. And yeah, so I'm going to be just doing good stuff for my hair to kind of soften it down. So all of the things I'll be doing, I'll be showing you step by step what to do before hair wash and after hair wash. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. This thing in my hand I have made with just 3 ingredients. I'll mention the link in the somewhere here, and you can just click and check this out, how to make this really nice remedy for the hair before hair wash. You have to put it 1 or 2 hours before the hair wash. Used it in the past and it shows great results. So I'm going to be putting all over my hair and waiting for 1-2 hours and let it dry, and then we're gonna wash our hair. So yeah, let's get started with applying it all over our hairs. This is how it looks. Now I have just tied my hairs. We'll wait for 2 hours and then wash our hairs. So as you can see, I've washed my hair, I've taken a bath, and that mask was so soothing to the hair, and I loved it. I'm really feeling good in my hair, in my scalp, and this worked so well, and I can literally feel now that my hairs are like tamed and soft from before. So I have used these 2 shampoos. This one for my length, this one is for my color hair. So I use it in the length of my hair. This is from L'Oreal Series Expert Vitamino Color Shampoo. This is what it looks like, and I use this on my length, so it helps in retaining the color. So in my scalp I use this Good Vibes Ginger shampoo. Okay, this one is okay shampoo. I'll just change it. I didn't find anything good in this shampoo, but I have to use it as I have bought it. But I'll try other shampoos for dandruff and let you guys know really soon. But this one for the length, it's so good. People who have color treated hair can use this one. It's so good for color treated hair. It makes the hair soft and manageable. And lastly, I've used this conditioner from Good Vibes. This is the Liquorice softening conditioner with coffee, vanilla, avocado, rosehip. So coffee controls oil, vanilla smoothens hair, and avocado hydrates, rosehip repairs damage. And I love this one. This one retails for rupees 250, and it is worth every penny because it just makes my hair so soft. I love this. If this wouldn't be there, my hair would have been a mess, totally a mess. This is a life savior. Oh sorry, hair savior. So I love this. Anyone with dry hair can use this one out. This is really a good option. So yeah, next I'm gonna apply the hair mask on my hair. So I'll be using this hair mask. This one is from Biolage, and it's their smooth proof Camelia smoothing mask for frizzy hair. You can see this is the one. This mask, if you use this, you are not gonna go to other mask. This cup comes in a huge tub. You can see I've used a lot of it, and this retails for 500 rupees and gives 500 grams of product. I mean, literally no other mask will give you this much product at this range, and it's so effective for the dandruff. It just soothes your, scalp really nicely and makes your hair so soft and manageable. So when I just, kind of do my hair care routine, I generally stop by this product. Generally, not generally, I just stop by this product. This is such a great product you should invest in. And let's get started and apply this. So I'm just gonna section my hair and I'll apply the mask. So what I'll do is I'll scoop a little bit of the product. I'll put this in this, oops, dhakkan, whatever it is, lid, sorry, that's for, and I'll just apply it because I don't want to dig one, my hands into this jar because I feel it's gross. So I just scoop the product out into a lid and then use it. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this. You can also do it, and I don't have time. What I do, I just do this and I just, this smells like spine tub. I love it. And your hair will smell so nice for one day. I'm not kidding. It's really nice one. And you have to keep it for like 15 minutes, and yeah, it does the job in 15 minutes. And then we're gonna wash our hair without using shampoo. You have to wash your hair just with plain water. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting this on my lens. I just apply it mostly my ends and massage it like this. And this is not the last step. I'll be doing one more step after this, so please continue watching. Watch till the end. Now I'll just wait for around 15 to 20 minutes and let it just work onto my hairs like magic. And yeah, let's see what happens. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next step. The last step to this spa at home is Good Vibes Argan Oil Serum. Okay, so this is super thick serum. I'll just show you guys. Can you see? It's a super thick serum. I take 2 pumps of this, and this is such a good serum, you guys. Anyone with dry hair, color treated hair, so they can use this serum on their lens, and it works so well. It just tames all that frizzy hair. It just tames all the frizzy hair. So you can use this one out. Just dry your hair a little bit and comb it, and yeah, you'll see great results after doing all this stuff. So yeah, if you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye guys.